I'm with our 2014 Lexus IS, and I'm trying to fit some stuff in the boot or the trunk here. I've got some chairs that I want to fit in, but they can't fit in the boot as it is. So I'm going to fold down the seats. I've managed to fold down one half of the 60/40 split fold rear seats, but this one here, I pull on the tab and it's not working. I can't pull it down. What's the problem? Why is that one working and not this one? Well, the reason is there's actually a lock button here on the back of the back seats. So you just need to flick it down so that it says unlock there. And now, if I pull on tab, hopefully, the rear seat will actually fold down. Here you go. That's one trick to help you fold down the rear seats on this Lexus IS, and hopefully some other Lexus and Toyota models if you're having any trouble folding it down. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments section below. Let me know what type of Lexus or Toyota vehicle this video actually applied to. Be great to know. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video. Thank you and bye.